If you want to multiply numbers in Excel without typing a single formula manually, what if I told you that there is a magic function that does it instantly? Let's do this in laptop.
Hey Excel fans, today we are going to find out the secrets of the product function in the Excel. Here we have to find out the product of these two numbers. How you can do this? Just press the equal to product product and then type tab. After pressing the tab button, you have to select the cell. In my case, it is a N12 cell. Then press comma and just select the second number you want to multiply this. After selecting the second cell, just enter the enter button. After entering the enter button, you have to drag this number down and this will be the product of these cells respectively. Now we want to also find out the sum of these products. Equal to sum, press the tab and then select these products which we have found it from the formula product. Enter and this will be the grand total of these numbers. I hope you find this video helpful. Hit the like button and also do subscribe if you like these simple tips and tricks on Excel.